What's this game called?
Run on there and then jump on the cup.
Let's see. Did alligators get you?
No. We have to run on here and then jump.
What do you do, Jose?
Bounce.
Watch your sister.
Boom. Ah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Gotta be safe. What do you do, Jose? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Jose, you want to sing if you're happy and you know it?
Bye.
Clap your hands. What about Itsy Bitsy Spider? Itsy Bitsy Spider. What about row, row, row your boat? Good rowing.
I'm sleeping. And that is my couch. And that is my bed.
Watch your sister. Don't step on her. Who's ready for night-night?
No.
Josie, careful. Don't. Josie. No. Fall down.
I don't like pictures.
No, Josie, you fall down.
Wow, 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 wow.
Watch your feet. All right, you guys are all going to the chop shop.
No!
You ready for chop shop, Jose?
No!
You ready?
No!
You ready?
No!
You ready for broccoli? Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Say bye, Jose.